that whole bridge is copper, and it was painted through the years by some fucking idiot savage, thinking it would look better painted. So they're exposing the copper right now to beautify it. You know, this is the old Southern Railroad building, and it had two entrances, two wings. That's the entrance for the southern wing, and that over there is the entrance for the northern wing. The Mercedes Benz Stadium is right around the corner, right there to the left. And there it is. Craftsmen working on beautifying this building that has been it's been restored to its original beauty.